Yes, mbaniriza mwenna mikwano gyange aba subscribers bange aba Go Father channel. Amanya gange Patrick Lumumba Ashford nga nze nanyini Go Father channel. So njagala kwogera ku bintu bino wammanga kubanga ntera okuwulira people saying that there is passive income online. Okay, kati nvuddeyo mbeeko kyenkulaga. This passive income online birimu emitendera okitegera, birimu emitendera. This website zimbadde zijja mbalaga wammanga or videos ziri previous. Sometimes zikola ki disappearing with our money. They disappear, they close, and they scam people. So at the end of the day, people lose their money. All right. Naye njagala nkubulire four strategies where you will be able to get passive income. I mean passive income every month. All right, every month ngofuna akasenteko ate nga you don't have any nga toweralikiddemu nti obagenda kunziba ssente kino sikyakuba ssente naye kyabuddebo. First of all, kyabuddebo. Now sometimes it involves money, all right, to get that passive income because you need to build something. Okitegera. First strategies ngenda okuba nkulaga nakulwaliro. So one strategy or one business that you can do that will give you money, that passive income that you need is YouTube. All right, YouTube esawa zino, YouTube esasula bwebanga otaddemu obudde. One, sometimes kyetaagisaamu ne kuki ne kasente okuzimba brand, like a brand or a channel, kubanga ojja kwetaagisaamu promoting in case you need promotion, ojja kwetaagisaamu uploading. So ebintu ng'ebyo bwobanga osazeewo okukola YouTube right now, abalina YouTube channels abazifunyeemu era balizifunamu. Okitegera. Nsobola okuba example ng'abayimbi ne bwe batakoze concert wabeera bakasente kafuna aka YouTube. Okitegera. Let me give you an example of Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo right now nakomo checkinga ku channel ye nga inako 1.7 million subscribers. So that means that video gy'ateekayo yonna egenda kuba emukolera bulungi. Okitegera. Egenda kuba emukolera bulungi. So bw'ateekayo video nefuna maybe 100k views, 200k views, sente ziba ziyingira at the end of the month. Okitegera. So yensonga lwaki nowadays abayimbi baagala nnyo kati YouTube because it pays monthly. Naye batakoze concert sente zisigala zikola ki? Sente zisigala zijja. Okitegera. So naawe osobola okukola YouTube channel which is free. Kyetaagisa just gadget then ne Wi-Fi over data. Okitegera. It's very simple. Then another thing, wetaagisa a niche. A niche is something that you will be giving out, or something you choose that in that category you'll be giving out. Like maybe example, sports, entertainment. Are you going to give content about medical, content about finance? So ebintu bingi that's in that category is called a niche. So if you're picking sport as a niche, ojja kuba owa content. Okitegera. Katugeze Man U asamba Arsenal. Okitegera. Man U asamba Arsenal nakulwaleero. So ojja kuba okola ki? Oteekayo content waba asambye, then oteekayo highlights. Okitegera. Abantu bebalaba and ojja kufuna akasente. Okitegera. So okubanga oguddewo account ku YouTube okutandika okufuna ssente weetaagisa ebintu bibiri. YouTube byeyagala okole. First of all, weetaagisa to set your brand, like to set your channel to be presentable. Okitegera. Ng'omuntu bw'agendako aba asobola okukola ki? Aba asobola okulaba content. Okitegera. So one, you need to put good content on your YouTube. Number two, you need to design. Okitegera. To design your channel. Okitegera. So nange bwe mba ngenzeeko kijja kunsobozesa okusubscribinga then n'okulakinga nenkola ki? Nenlikinga videos. Number three, you need YouTube kyeyagala gwe okole okutandika okusasula. You need 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours it's very easy to get them. Genda olaba video yange gyenakoze engeri gy'okufunamu 4,000 watch hours nyangu nnyo okuzifuna era nakulaze how to get them. Ekyokubiri YouTube kyeyagala osooke ohitinga, you hit the target, it's 1,000 subscribers. Ekyo nja kuba nkyogerako how to get 1,000 subscribers within a week, within 3 days, using paid promotions like paid adverts. So it's a YouTube njagala closing, njagala kijjewo. If you are willing or if you have passion to open up a YouTube channel, looking at the income side of it, the passive income side of it, you can start up a YouTube channel now. So a strategy yokubiri, a business, let me call it a business that will give you passive income online. It's a website, all right, a website blog. Right now, it's very easy. Google has made it very easy for us that those who are willing to open up a website blog to start uploading, creating content, because Google loves those who create content and uploads it on their website. So also tandika website kubwerere, you can use blogger.com. Genda yo okutandika website yobwerere after creating era nakoze video nga nyonyola how to create a website. So go and watch my previous video on how to create a website, how to connect it on Google AdSense. All right, Google AdSense. Google AdSense, it is it's like an account. Okay, it's an account where you will see your cash flow, like how much you have earned a day, how much you've earned within 7 days, how much you've earned in the previous 28 days. So a vehicle like a Google AdSense, and to approve you also need to connect your website plus the Google AdSense. So a good strategy yakubiri, business yakubiri je kugambye associate the YouTube, create a YouTube channel. Number 2, tandikawo website blog. Era nakulaze where you can run to if you need a blog post, someone to write for you a blog post, or where to get freelancers. All right, also kufuna freelancers abasobola okuzimbira website, abasobola okuuploadingira blog posts website to you, and you pay them at the end of the project. All right, number 3 njengenda okugamba, number 3 you need number 3 that will give you passive income. It's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing nowadays, it's booming because now companies need people who can promote their products, and at the end of promoting products, once the product is bought under your link or whatever, you are given a commission. All right, so eventually money, which is good nowadays online, you can remove or get a product online and you're paid after a purchase. All right, so eventually bantu banji babikozemu sente, like Nigerians. I associate a lot with Nigerians because they understand this online business. Sente bazifunyemu, and most of them, they are into website blogs, right? So they are getting huge amount of money, which is interesting. So nange nandyagadde mikono gyange bana Uganda ba subscribers bange, yes, naffe tukyenyigiremu oshegera. Si YouTube yokka, si website yokka, ne affiliate marketing tusobola gikola. Waliwo sites nyingi zi blog host nyingi nnyo oshega, CPA lead, CPA grip, so gendayo no promoting products zaabwe, no promoting ebintu byabwe, nebakuwa sente ku account. So you open up an account online, so they give you money via their means, right? Abasinga bakozesa Pioneer, abasinga bakozesa Skrill account. So if you have a Skrill account, you have a Pioneer account, basobola okubakola ki, and even PayPal. By the way, PayPal basobola okusasulako bwobanga in terms of payment, basobola okusindikira sente zo ku PayPal account. All right, and it's very easy to open up a PayPal account online. All right, about the strategy or business number 3 is all passive income online. Business number 4 ngena kuba nkubulira gye bayita CPA marketing. Now CPA marketing eringa affiliate marketing. Now CPA marketing is waliwo enjawulo ya CPA marketing kubanga sometimes affiliate marketing yetagisa physical product ate CPA kyetalina. Alright, so CPA for example needs okugamba I need people who can sign up under this link, right? I need 50 people, I need 1,000 people who can sign up under this link. So once you get those maybe 50 people who can sign up under this link, I will give you this amount. That is CPA. Over an example, another example, bajja kugamba we need people to provide their emails, right? To provide their emails. So each email you'll be getting this amount. So when you get 50,000, 2M people, you'll be getting this amount per person. So CPA marketing, so those are the 4 strategies, 4 businesses that will give you money online on passive income every month. So mwebale nnyo abapya mu subscribing ku channel eno. So neyongera okukola ki okubalaga content ow'enjawulo. Ngenda kubambaliramu ne business innovations endala zendabye oba bakyali bange zebakola, which I'm also jumping into it within a short time. Ngenda kuba nzibaliramu awo. So subscribe to my channel. Mbagala nnyo, mwebale. Thank you so much.